Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. Vishali with you, your psychic medium and a spiritual healer. Today, I'm going to talk about Jupiter and Ketu, that is the south node of the moon's conjunction in a zodiac or a constellation. So, if you have this conjunction, or your family member, wife, or husband, or a child, please listen to this video till the end and do not make any conclusions before the video is completed. Okay, so Jupiter is a planet, a wealth giving planet, abundance, prosperity, success in overall life, a lot of positive energy, positive vibes. So such a planet, when in comes in conjunction with Ketu, which is the opposite energy, where it secludes you from people, places, situations, circumstances, it leaves you away from all of the goodness of life. Reason, because it wants you to get spiritual, it wants you to concentrate on the other side of the life. Okay, it wants you to become more knowledgeable, the spiritual knowledge, the spiritual wisdom, become more humble and more humanitarian. Now, when these two opposite energies, in a way, they are functioning in the right way towards knowledge only, but in the opposite way, means what? Jupiter will help you, a good Jupiter will help you survive in the 3D matrix, in the materialistic life. Okay, but Ketu is going to take you away from the 3D materialistic life to give you more realistic experiences of the 5D, the fifth dimension, and other higher dimensions, only to expand your knowledge, expand your consciousness more than what Jupiter is giving you. Okay, Jupiter will give you good knowledge, academic, good scholastics. It will give you good scores. It will give you good jobs. People have been seen working in medical sectors, pharma industry, law and judiciary. They are doctors. They are very good counselors. They are into fintech, edutech. All of these industries. They are ruling and doing very well in this industry. But for those people who have this conjunction, they won't be found here. They will be again doing something similar, but not exactly like this. They will be running on a parallel path. They will be holistic healers, alternate medicine specialists, therapists, coaches. These people would be into occult sciences. It's very wide field. Okay, spirituality is a very wide field. These people will be very very knowledgeable, extremely intelligent, smart, and these people have a lot of wisdom because of daily life experiences, because of the hardships, because of having amazing psychic intuition and powers to download what directly divine tells and communicates with them. Okay, so these people will be deprived of opportunities in the materialistic world, or very high income generating materialistic opportunities, because they are supposed to focus on the humanitarian aspects of life. They need to focus on giving back to the universe, giving back to Mother Gaia, giving back to the people who are dwelling here, the people who are not on the right path. These people, the ones who are having this conjunction, have been assigned the duties to correct the others and put them on the right path, so that they can be doing exactly what has been designed for their soul, right? So first thing first is, this is not like a curse, or this is not like a typical Guru Chandal dosh, which is popularly said in the mainstream astrology. But I would like to say that yes, this is a Chandal dosh, but it operates in a very different way from what Jupiter and Rahu, that is the north node of the moon, will operate. Okay, I have already made that video. Interested people can go watch that video and you will understand the difference. So here are some couple of points I have made so that you can resonate more with this video. Okay, the intention is to help you understand the energy so that you can function properly and you can make good use of this energy. Okay, so such people are actually very good by heart, they're very good souls. Okay, and anybody who hurts these people, they are going to get on the bad side of God. Okay, these people are so pious soul and such pure soul that they will think 10 times before even saying something bad to somebody, because they don't have that kind of habit where they just say something bad or curse somebody. They wouldn't do that. They are such pure soul that you know even if somebody is hurting them or somebody is giving them trauma, they'll still think that how much the other person is going through, you know and still they will not count their pain. They are that kind of pure souls. Okay, so if you have such kind of pure soul around you, maybe your friend, your partner, your child, please don't hurt them. Okay, please try to understand that it is not always that you need to be successful in the materialistic life, then only you are something great. It's not like that. Okay, because money is not everything. Money is also an important aspect of life, but at the same time, living a authentic life is also very important. Okay, these people are naturally guiding others because they have this power of just knowing things. They are clear cognizant, and they have a lot of wisdom inside them, and they are constantly getting downloads from the higher dimensions. So they have a lot of knowledge. So if, let's say, if you look around, somebody who is not very educated but they still have a lot of knowledge, you check out maybe your cook or maybe your helper or maybe just the person who works at a small vendor shop near you, or an old person, they know a lot of things. And if you ask them their qualification, they may not be having very great qualifications, but they have a lot of knowledge, they have a lot of life knowledge. Okay, that is not what's with some experience, without experience somewhere, it comes with experience, right? They may not be even reading books, because I do have such people in my life, and I wonder that how do they know so many things about life, people, emotions, empathy, so many things they know without even going to proper school, having proper academics. They're just having the divine support. Okay, so these people do a lot of good work. They are involved in humanitarian work, they are philanthropical, and if you are not, then try to be that, because that is what the energy is calling for. Okay, another important thing is that you need to work with your ascended masters, your spiritual guides, your mentors, the ones whom you believe in a lot, who have helped you in hard times. If you don't have a guru, then I would suggest that make Lord Shiva and Adishakti as your guru, and they will help you support a lot in living this challenges or the ups and downs that this position brings. Next is that I've seen a lot of people having this conjunctions get insulted by their own family members. Yes, it's true, it does happen. Okay, because they are just trained just to see from the logical perspective. Okay, that there should be money, home, lot of cash, car, jewelry, a lot of money to spend, maybe travel or eating. But that's not the only aspect of life, right? You can be happy and content with what you have, what money you make, right? So the other people, and such people are usually surrounded by toxic family members. Okay, who keep on just asking from them, like they keep on demanding, so they become a natural giver. There isn't a balance between give and take, they are just giving. So this one thing you guys need to work upon. There has to be a proper balance, there has to be proper balance in give and take, and then you'll be able to manage this energies. Don't just keep giving, expecting that some fine day the other person will value you or appreciate you or love you, or just consider you as a good human. You don't have to shine in their eyes, you have to shine in your own eyes. Okay, because God is looking up to you, that how well you're going to perform on this planet with his support. With this conjunction, there's also a tendency to feel as if there are no resources or very limited resources. But as you know that Jupiter also retrograde just like other planets, you will be back into action once the planet comes out of retrogression. I am not covering about Jupiter retrograde and Ketu conjunction here, but I just made a point so that you can understand that there could be less resources, but it's not like there will be no resources. So you just need to do your research properly about whatever you are dealing with as per your chart. So irrespective of the hardships, challenges and obstacles, if you choose to shine, if you choose to believe in God, if you choose to have faith in the higher powers, in the higher dimensional energies, okay, you will succeed. You will definitely succeed. You need to stay stronger mentally, emotionally, physically and financially, and stop expecting from others, because you are a star maker. You are so lucky, you're super lucky for others. I bet you and challenge you for one thing, that if you go to any shop where there are no customers, there are no clients, and the shop is totally empty, let it be a restaurant or let it be some gift shop or any other shop, and it's totally empty, and you go there, within couple of minutes or couple of hours you will see there will be a lot of crowd coming over there. You watch it, this happens because your energy is very very auspicious, very very positive. Okay, so rather than doing any job that demands you to be the center of attention, you should focus on job that demands you to work as a star maker for someone. Because of your positiveness, because of your auspicious energy, because of so much knowledge and wisdom, you are able to sculpt the goodness in people. So you are a natural teacher, you are a natural perfectionist, you are a natural giver of knowledge. So you should become a professional, a teacher, somebody who coaches, teaches, okay, who's into healing. So you should choose such professions which will make others shine, and eventually that will give you a lot of abundance. There will be cash flow and there will be no scarcity for you, because I've seen a lot of people struggling financially with this conjunction. So if you put your strength in the right direction, you will be able to succeed in life. So if you've liked this video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, so that you get notifications about the new videos that get uploaded on this channel. If you have any questions about this energy, you can put your comments here. If you like a reading, then do contact us on our below given email address and contact number. Thank you so much for watching.